All right, guys, what is going on? If you're new to the channel, this is Wisco Pit Bike. Today we are going to be hauling some pallets. So I spent a little time today getting this trailer all fixed up. I had to air up the tires and I had to fix the little hitch part. This guy right here, I had to put this in, and then I welded a hitch onto the ute. So basically we're using this guy to haul all these pallets out of here. Just want to get them out of the yard because they don't need to be here anymore. Springtime, you know, summertime, cleaning up. But yeah, I got this handy little trailer for free, and we're finally putting it to some work. So I'm gonna give you guys a little time lapse, and you can watch me load these pallets and get them all out of here. So I guess we'll see with the time lapse. Well guys, that's going to be all for tonight. I got this one big pallet up here loaded on by myself, but these ones with these big like 3x4 big old solid oak beams, there's 4 of them and it's probably 10 feet long, and then it's all deck boards, and the other one's probably 12 feet long. I probably could put those up there, but I really don't feel like doing that by myself. I got one whole pile moved and part of this one, so I'm pretty happy with how the trailer hitch turned out on the ute, and this free trailer that I got. It's been working awesome. Definitely going to be hauling a bunch more stuff around. I know I said I was going to rip the ute in the last video, and I really didn't get time to do that much, so I guess we'll maybe do that tomorrow if I get to it. I've been super busy. I did intake manifold gaskets, knock sensors, and oil pressure sensor on 2005 Chevy truck today, and that pretty much took up most of my time, most of my day. But the ute's looking good, got lots of ground clearance. I love the new lift kit and the bigger tires. They do rub a little bit, but for what I'm doing, you know, in my backyard and whatnot, it's good enough. My other trailer tire on the other side goes flat, so I got to keep airing that up. And then I definitely need a new deck, because as you can see, she's pretty well done. But yeah, huge shout out to everybody who's subscribed. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. Hit the little notification bell so you know when new videos are up. If you haven't entered the CRF 50 giveaway, be sure to do that. Just comment a number between 1 and 850 on any one of my videos and be subscribed to my channel, and you're entered to win. Pushing the drawing back to July 1st or until all 850 are filled. If that happens, I'll do it sooner. If I don't get to the 850 by July 1st, then I think we're just going to do the drawing anyways. Hopefully with everything that's going on, whoever the winner is able to come pick up the bike. that would be great. But I don't know, we'll find out. So thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it, and I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow.